OTEC, Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion. Oceans cover over 70% of the Earth's surface area and are a huge source of thermal energy. OT is a renewable energy technology that uses the natural temperature difference in ocean to produce clean, reliable electricity day and night throughout the year. In OTEC, heat from the warm ocean surface and cold from the deep ocean drives a Rankine cycle which produced electricity. Tropical waters are specially suitable for OTEC because of higher surface temperature. Ocean water between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn typically have highest surface temperature around 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, while the water below the 900 meter is only 5 degrees Celsius. The temperature difference are very steady over time between days and night from season to season. Ocean thermal energy conversion is a electric generation system. In OTC, use temperature difference between deep part of the sea which are cold and shallow part of the sea which are hot to run a heat engine that produce useful work. The deeper part of the ocean are cooler because the heat of the sunlight cannot penetrate very deep into the water. Here the efficiency of the system depends on the temperature difference. Greater the temperature difference, greater the electricity. The temperature difference in ocean between deep and shallow part is maximum in tropics 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Receive a lot of sunlight which warm the surface of the ocean, increasing the temperature gradient. Energy source of OTC abundantly available, free, and will be so far as long as the sun shine and ocean current exist. Estimates suggest that ocean thermal energy could contain more than twice the world electricity demand. This makes it necessary for us to give a closer look. There are three types of OTC system: open cycle system, closed cycle system, and hybrid cycle system. In open cycle system, water itself is the working fluid. Open cycle system work by boiling the surface water at very low pressure. It is called flash evaporation. After expansion through the turbine, steam is condensed back to liquid water via a condenser, which is then cooled by deep sea water before being discharged. The output of the condenser is desalinated water, one of the desirable byproduct of the OTEC system. Closed cycle OTC system. Closed cycle system use the ocean warm surface water to vaporize a working fluid such as ammonia or other refrigerant. The vapor expands through a turbine, turning a generator to produce electricity. The vapor is eventually condensed by transforming its heat to the cold water of the deep ocean before being pumped back to the evaporator to complete the cycle. In hybrid cycle of ocean thermal energy conversion, surface seawater enters a vacuum chamber where it is flash evaporated into steam. The steam is used to vaporize a working fluid with a low boiling point, which then turns a turbine to generate electricity. Hybrid configuration also produce fresh water. There have advantages of OTEC system. The advantages are: first, it is a clean and pollution free renewable sources of energy. Power generated by this system is continuous. Only a small variation in output takes place from season to season. In simple words, we can say the system is independent of weather. By making only small changes in design, conventional power plant can be used in this system. It can be produce the desalinated water and nutrients for mariculture at the same time. There have disadvantages also. The capital cost of this plant is very high. The overall efficiency of this system is very low. The open cycle system needs large size turbine due to the low pressure of the system. In the closed cycle system, the working fluid is very expensive. The cost of the power generation per kilowatt